Hey everyone, Inez here. Just going to show you some Irish coins. I'm not going to say that they're old because I'm not that old, and they were in circulation when I was a kid. And I'll give you a bit of history on them here. So this is an old 5p. It has a bull on it there. You see these in some of the museums now. So all of these were withdrawn in 2002 when the euro came in. And 10p has a salmon on it. Now this is the oldest one that I have. It has a bird on it. It's a 1p. And they all have harps on the back of them. And that was in 1982, a year before I was born. So I have loads of these. And then that's the newest one then. The same again, the ornamental board on that one, and the harp on as well. Here's all the 1990s. And then we have the 2p. You can't really see them because they are a bit dirty now. Back in the 90s again, American skill. Now this one, I was kind of bummed out with this one, the 20p. So this has an Irish hunter on it and a harp on the back now. So if I had this is in the 90s again, but if I had one from like 1985 or before that, I could be minted basically. Could be more thousands, but I don't have it. But I still like to hang on to these though. Pretty cool kind of to have them. And then the Irish punt with the red deer on it. It's pretty cool. Quite big as well, 1994. So they're quite dirty. I have a few, like I said. So that's Irish coins. So then I'm going to show you how to clean them. Okay, so this step, guys, this is what I'm going to show you. The things that you need to use to clean them. There's many different ways, but this is a good way. So I have a small bit of vinegar here. I have some baking soda. Just a little tray to put them on because of the chemicals. You'll need some gloves as well, you know. An old toothbrush. Like, you're not going to be scrubbing too hard either because you don't want to wreck the coins. You can use a cotton bud as well if you want. And just then a towel to dry it off. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I've just put my gloves on here and now I'm going to show you what to do. So we have the vinegar, we have the baking soda. So the best thing for you to do with the coins, with the vinegar, is to put them in, let them sit in the vinegar, and it gets all the dirt up out of them. But you have to leave them in for about, say, 45 minutes to an hour. And that will get right down inside. So I'm going to come back to you now in a couple of moments. I'm just going to leave them sit, and then we come back and we put them in the baking soda and see what happens. Hey, so we're back. So the coins have been sitting in the vinegar for quite a while now, and they're already shiny actually. Like, really, there's a big difference there already. Some are still a bit kind of rough with the dirt on it. But the next step then is the baking soda. So what I'm going to do is make sure you have a bowl of warm water beside you as well. And I'm going to use this little tray. So we're going to put the coin into the baking soda. Baking soda is actually brilliant for a lot of things in the house. So you can do this spend a good bit of time. It's already literally changing right now. I actually have a toothbrush there, an old toothbrush, but I don't think I'll need it, and I don't think I want to do that either. Just in case. There's some marks on it, so yeah, it's actually all coming off now. So then leave that there. I'm going to dip it into some warm water. And have a dry towel beside you as well. And it's a lot shinier, cleaner. So I'll try one more. Just remove that there. Into the baking soda. And over the tray. Just make sure you have some gloves on. Ooh, I mean the shine on this one is like, whoa. You know, this is also good as well, baking soda, for cleaning things in the house, like your oven and in your bathroom. We don't have to be spending a whole lot of money on different products. So into the warm water. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! Isn't that a beaut? 20p. 20. We'll do one more. This is the kind of the dirtiest looking one. You can hear the kind of bubbles there on the tray with the vinegar. And if you actually, I don't know if you can see there, but there's all bubbles in that as well. Here we go again. Let me use the toothbrush. I have loads of these, so if it gets damaged, it's okay. Into the warm water. It's not the best, but if I could spend a bit of time on it now, it'll come out a lot better. And I'll do one more. I'll do the 10p. This one is not that bad now, so. But I have to say the vinegar does take out a lot of the dirt out of the little crevices along the edges. Vinegar is really good too for a lot of things in the home. And there is your 10p. All nice and shiny. If you can hear that, you see the vinegar mixing with the baking soda. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the cleaning of the Irish coins. Thanks for watching. So there you go. The end result of cleaning the Irish coins with vinegar, baking soda and a bit of warm water. Good result.